Welcome to our channel. How to connect Wi-Fi router to Wi-Fi extender in 2025. Unbox and power on. Start by unboxing your Wi-Fi extender and plugging it into a power outlet. Keep it near your main Wi-Fi router for the first time setup to avoid connection issues. Connect to power, switch on the extender and wait for the power LED to turn stable. This shows that the device is ready to begin the pairing process. Locate the WPS button. Find the WPS button on both your Wi-Fi router and your extender. This button helps you connect the two devices without entering a password. Press router WPS button on your main router. Press and hold the WPS button for a few seconds until the WPS light begins to blink, signaling it's in pairing mode. Press extender WPS button. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your Wi-Fi extender as well. The extender will now try to sync directly with the router. Wait for connection light. After a short while, check the LED indicators on the extender. A solid green or blue light confirms that the connection is successful. Place the extender. Now unplug the extender and place it halfway between your router and the area where you have weak Wi-Fi signals. This ensures better coverage. Connect your devices. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your smartphone, laptop, or smart TV. Connect to the extended network name, SSID, using the same Wi-Fi password as your router. Test Wi-Fi speed. Do a quick internet speed test in the extended area. If the speed and signal are stable, the extender is working properly. Enjoy seamless coverage. Your Wi-Fi extender is now boosting the router's signals, giving you smooth, strong, and reliable internet across your entire home in 2025. Thank you for watching.